Welcome back, friends. Today we have the funnest paper crafts, and we are starting with this pack of paper. It comes in beautiful designs at Dollar Tree. How fun are these? You can use these for birthday cards, for note cards, picture frames, all kinds of things. We're also going to be using some double-sided tape and some beads. Now, you can use whatever beads you have as long as they are on the smaller side. You can use any string you want. I have this little stretchy one. Not sure if it's going to work, but we're going to try it. We're going to use my scissors, the heart-shaped hole puncher. We're also going to be using this glittery paper heart. This is just what I had, but then I changed my mind, and I'll show you what I changed it to. I'm going to use some ribbon. This is one from Dollar Tree. Just use any ribbon that complements the paper you're going to use. I'm also going to use a regular hole puncher, and we're going to get started. I'm going to mark 2 inches from top and bottom, trace a line, and then we're going to cut it. We're going to create not 1, not 2, but 3 fun bookmarks you can make with your kiddos. This will be great for them, or it can be great gifts for their friends or for grandma or grandpa, whatever. We're going to save that second part or that third piece because we're going to use it for another one. But we created 2 pieces that are similar in shape and size. We're going to use the double-sided tape and we're going to join them together. You can also use glue if you want. I have found that the tape is just a little cleaner. You can also use glue stick if you'd like. It was not as even as I thought, so I'm just going to even it out by cutting off any excess. I'm going to mark 1 inch going down and 1/2 inch going towards the inside on the top, and we're going to angle cut this to look more like a bookmark. How cute is that? We're going to hole punch a hole to the top. This is where we can thread the ribbon in just a minute, and then we're going to cut out the heart-shaped hole at the bottom right corner. And we are going to leave this one pretty simple, but I'll show you some other techniques in the other 2 bookmarks coming up. We're going to take some of the ribbon, we're just going to thread it through, and then we're just going to make a very simple knot. That's it. Put it to the side and let's work on the second one. We're going to take the leftover piece from the previous project and a coordinating other stock paper from the pack. We're going to trace it and cut it to fit. And once again, don't toss that leftover because we're going to use it on the second one. This one I have not taped together yet, but we are dry fitting in. Just keep them together. And then we're going to take that same heart-shaped hole puncher. We're going to punch a hole. And now we are going to glue the 2 sides of the heart with a little bit of that double-sided tape. We're going to thread some of these beads. To be exact, it's going to be 4 of them onto my string. And then we are going to place them right there. We're going to tack that little end piece onto the double-sided tape on each side. Cut off the excess. You know where we're going with this, right? It's a little Fidget bookmarker. Oh my word. All right, we're going to thread 3 more and place them right underneath. Again, just attaching it to the double-sided tape, cutting off the excess. Now we're going to add a double-sided tape to the rest of the bookmark to the top of it. And then on the bottom, we're going to place hot glue and make sure, this is very important, make sure you add hot glue where the strings are also on the inside, okay? That's going to hold it. But look how adorable this is. It's like a little fidget. I love it. All right, once again, we're going to angle cut those tops. So we're just going to make a couple marks and then cut them. Hole punch a hole to the top and thread the ribbon. You can use any ribbon you want. And don't forget, this is double-sided. So not only is it a fidget bookmark, but it's double-sided. And then we're just going to make a very simple knot. And this will be for this one. How adorable is this? Look at that. You can play around with it. So fun. And again, it's double-sided. I'll show you the end result here in just a minute. On to the third bookmark. We're going to cut this one in half, and then we're going to use it to make another bookmark. We're going to do the same thing we did earlier. We're going to just kind of cut off any excess to the side. Now this one, we're going to use the hole puncher that is the round shaped. I thought about doing the hearts, but it would be better with the round one. I'm going to make 3 of them, just like you see here. Now they're not glued together yet. Now, this is the glitter paper. I changed my mind. Instead of the red, we're going to use this one. This one's like a sticker. You can find these at Dollar Tree. So we're going to remove the back paper and stick them together, just like you see here. Then we're going to take one of the sides of the bookmark, add the double-sided tape, and we're going to glue it to one of the sides of the glittery paper. You're going to see what I'm doing. We're going to just center it right in the center, and then we are going to cut off the excess. This is going to be a beautiful contrast with that glitter. The colors really complement each other. And then once it's cut off out all of the edges, then we are going to attach the other side. Now I'm going to match the circles, so make sure that you are attaching it where the circles are kind of like matching to each other. Adding the double-sided tape and then placing it on the opposite side, just like this. How fun. You can use any color combination you want. This will also be really fun if you use clear paper, like a clear plastic instead of the glitter, and then it's going to be a see-through. That'll be fun. All right, so we're going to angle cut and mark those top, and then we're going to hole punch the hole on the top so we can thread the ribbon, make a very simple knot, and here are all three of them together. This will make such a fun gift. Such a fun gift for their friends, for you, for grandma, grandpa, whatever you want. Let me know what you think of this one, and I have another video here for you with tons more of fun crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.